event where we had the real estate seminar there, and we doing some teaching on helping people to understand in the real estate. And you were supposed to go up for 30 minutes, and for something happened, and we needed to. We needed to shut it down and say, okay, Mark, you had 30 minutes. Now you got 5. Okay. Right.
Yes.
And so you had to go up there and give what you were going to give in 30 minutes, in 5 minutes. And tons of people were blessed by that and still reaching out to you about it. You know?
Yeah.
So, I mean, I cut you off. Come on, talk to us.
No, it's cool. I mean, it's been a couple of years, and we're still working with folks from that initial seminar, because what we were talking about in that short 5 minutes that we had was how to get more revenue out of owning 10 Baltimore row houses than you could from having $1 million in an IRA or 401k. And I was basically just breaking down that if you bought the houses, rehabbed them, and leased them out, the cash flow from those houses would actually get you to a place where you could pay that portfolio off in 7 to 10 years and have $180,000 a year in cash flow in spendable capital. Whereas if you had $1 million in a 401k, you can't spend but 4% a year, which is $40,000 before taxes. And at the end of the day, after you've paid the taxes on $40,000, which is about 25%, you're going to end up with $30,000 net to spend, even though you got $1 million in your IRA. So the question becomes, do you want to have $180,000 a year free cash flow, 150 after expenses that you have capital to spend, or do you want to have $30,000? And that sparked a lot of people's attention, and it allowed us to start to work with a lot of people there. We bought and continue to work with people to buy investment property and what have you. We can continue to work with the commercial hedge funds that we met there to do large construction and rehabs and what have you on investment property in Baltimore City and in Philadelphia. So, a lot came from that. A lot came from that 5-minute talk. And those and this is what we were just talking about a second ago about execution. The people that tapped in, that we designed a blueprint for, that said, all right, I'm going to execute. Those people to this day are still executing, still prospering, still building, still making money. This is 3 years ago.
The people that
feel like 3 years ago, but it's 3 years ago.